everybody. On today's episode of the Rim Vlog, my Red Sox are in town to play the Angels. But that game doesn't start for about another 5 hours, which gives me 5 hours to try every brewery that's around Angel Stadium. Let's go!
Get up off that brown. Quarter? They got the quarter, right? That's the 329 coffee.
Okay.
And then this is the oatmeal.
Cool. This umbrella behind me just fell and almost took my goddamn head off. But I'm alive, and I'm ready to start drinking. First on the list is a porter of some sort. Let's give it a shot. Not too shabby. We have some sort of a coffee stout. That's the coffee I didn't have this morning. That one's pretty good. And now we come across the first Nitro Stout. I love Nitro Stout. Nitro Stout is my favorite type of beer. Oh, a coffee Nitro Stout. Smooth. And for the fourth beer, we have another Nitro Stout. It's pretty windy out here, and this table is really shaky, so I'm probably shaking up and down like I'm in the middle of like a 3.5 earthquake. But you're gonna have to deal with it since I have to deal with it. Cheers. Delicious. I found me a hammock out here. Golden Road. You know how to do it right. This is nice. Having a couple beers on a hammock while I wait for the Red Sox to kick the Angels' ass. I can definitely think of worse ways to be spending my day. Golden Road gets a definitive thumbs up. Good beer, good atmosphere. It was pretty dead, but it was, I mean, as you can see, it's pretty dead, but it's pretty nice to just have the place to yourself. Got to hang out on a hammock, had some really good beers. I definitely recommend this place. But now it's on to Karl Strauss Brewery. So conveniently, we got the Golden Road here, Angel Stadium over here, and then this building over here, Karl Strauss. So I went up to the bar and I couldn't get any service, so I asked for a table. So I'm about to get an Imperial Stout. They don't have anything nitro, which is kind of disappointing. Their selection is not as good as Golden Road was. Their setup is nowhere near as good as Golden Road. It's definitely a lot louder over here since we're a little bit closer to the freeway. So we'll have a beer and we'll kind of go from there. Alright, I got me some happy hour chicken fingers. They said wings, but they're boneless, so they're chicken fingers. Pretty good. The beer's pretty good too. Golden Road is still better. Not that great. If we're being honest, not that great. So about a mile and a half away from here, there's a place called Noble Ale Works. That's gonna be the next brewery I'm going to. I could probably walk off these beers I'm drinking anyways. There was a time about 10 years ago where this parking lot used to be awesome for pre-gaming and tailgating, and then some asshole, a Dodger fan, of course, kicked some Giants fan in the head. Shit didn't go well. So now all these stadiums are really strict about tailgating and pre-gaming, especially Angel Stadium. I gotta take a goddamn piss. Probably should have taken one at Carl Strauss. Now I have to brave the wilderness. The wilderness that is the porta potty. Oh God. All right, how do I pull this off? Oh, the old one-handed pull the dick out. Never easy. Then, probably should have put a lock on the door. Oh well. I always forget that in these porta potties, there's this. A little side urinal. I don't know why, but I just never remember that there's the little side urinal. So Noble Ale Works is 1.4 miles in that direction. I could go back to the Golden Road Brewery, which is, I don't know, 3 minutes in that direction. And I really liked it. Just maybe that's the better of the two options. Because then I'm going to eventually have to walk all the way back here and walk another 1.4 miles. I already worked out earlier today. I don't need to walk another 3 miles just to drink some beer. That's the game plan. Golden Road Brewery, wait for Nicole, go Red Sox. You know, when the Red Sox come into town, a lot of crazy shit goes down. Especially lots of sex. Hey, Red Sox fans, at least we're being safe. Alright, I had to make my way back to Golden Road. It's just way better than walking a mile and a half.
Just for the tickets, and you can deep brighten it afterwards. Got two. There's one. There you go. Yeah, that's what you just. There you go. You got it. Enjoy.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Got it. You're welcome. That's about for you.
Alright, we just stumbled across Jersey Mike's. Jersey Mike's are bomb-ass subs, so we can't pass it up. We're gonna do some Jersey Mike's for dinner. Jersey Mike's for dinner? Jersey Mike's for dinner. Philly steak and cheese. Jersey Mike's, Jersey Mike's, Jersey Mike's. Alright, we got our Jersey Mike's. We are a happy couple. Maybe not in a relationship, but when it comes to food, we are a happy couple. You didn't say anything about the latest vlog. What do you think? Yesterday? What?
You didn't tell me.
She didn't watch my latest
You didn't
vlog.
tell me.
I thought she was my #1 supporter. Turns out, no. Alright, so we're here at the Big A. The game's about to start in like 10 minutes. And seriously, there's like nobody here yet. So they just told us we have to move because low attendance. What? Low attendance? You Angels. We have to move over that way. So you know what? Let's just move downstairs and let's get closer to the action. Right off the bat, home run! Woo!
Check it.
Red Sox sweep the Angels. Best record in baseball. This has been the Rim Vlog. We out of here. I'm gonna tell you a story.